Okay, so guys, it is pretty much finished in here. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today the room renovation vlogs are returning. So this is going to be part 2. Basically my room is finished, like all the painting and stuff, that is all complete, it's just drying. So today my task is to clear stuff from my room. So basically I have quite a lot that I want to get rid of. So there's lots of things that I want to bin. And just there's loads of stuff under my bed which I'm actually not prepared to sort out. So I'm going to start like grouping stuff just so it's easier to move into my room. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Basically I'm going to try and move some little things into my room, but obviously like my bed and stuff I'm going to do that tomorrow because it's quite a big job. I really hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of my room renovation. It got actually a really good response, so I'm glad you guys have liked it. Hopefully this one will be a bit more like fun because I'm actually moving furniture and that kind of thing. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Please do give it a massive thumbs up if you do. Subscribe down below for more, and without further ado, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so I think first of all I'm going to move my suitcases and ring light into my new room because they're quite easy to move, and they actually take up quite a lot of space, so I'm going to move them. And then I just need to sort out everything from under my bed. It is such a mess, you guys aren't even prepared. Okay, now it's literally about 4 hours later and I've done nothing in this room, but now I'm actually going to start to clear under my bed. I've got the black bags at the ready because there's going to be a lot of stuff to throw away, and there's also going to be a lot of stuff up here. So yeah, I'm going to start under my bed now. I'll film like a time lapse for a bit, but my dad got rid of the light in here, see? And it's going to get dark soon, so I'll film as much as I can, but I'll keep you updated soon. Hand sanitizer. Okay, so I've just moved a few bits into my room. I just moved my ring light, a few boxes that are going to go under my bed, like my hair dryer, hair straighteners, and then underwear and stuff. These all like go under my bed. So yeah, I've brought them into my room because my room is in an absolute state. Such a mess in my room, I can't even show you guys. But yeah, I think I'm just going to leave this here for tonight and then continue tomorrow because I'm absolutely knackered. But at least I've made some progress. I'm happy with that. Okay, hey everyone, it is now the next day and I think this is going to be like the exciting part of the video because basically today everything is going into the room. So we're going to be moving my bed in a minute, and there's obviously like a few more bits that I just need to like move into the room. So yeah, I'm also going to be moving my Alex drawers as well. So today is where it's going to all happen hopefully, and then I've got 2 things arriving for my room today. I've actually got some LED lights which are going to go behind my TV, which are going to look really cool, and I've also got a candle which I'm so excited about. I'm just going to move like the rest of the little things from my room and then we're going to do my bed. Okay, so here is my current room. I've actually just taken the fairy lights down. That was actually easier than I thought. I thought it was going to take me ages. But yeah, they're just on the floor now. They're going to be fun to unwrap for my new room, but this room is practically empty. I just need to move this into my new room, clear the windowsill, and then I need to take everything off this shelf. I'm actually not keeping it in my new room because I don't really need all the DVDs and stuff because obviously I got Netflix and Disney Plus and stuff. So I think I'm going to give those to like the charity shop. And then we're just going to put the white thing downstairs because I just don't need it anymore. Then we need to move my TV. That needs to go into my new room. But yeah, happy with the progress so far. It's just taking me long. Okay, so I sorted out this little shelf, and basically all of these are going to go to the charity shop, and then I'm going to keep these, but I literally have no idea where I'm going to put them. Okay, update on the room. So it's currently looking like this. It looks a bit like my old bedroom, but it's looking good. So down here, I've just got like my Gucci bags, Versace bag. I don't know why I've put them down there. They just look nice. And I've decided that this wall's going to be like a photo wall. So I'm going to order loads of photos to go on there. I need to move this. This isn't actually going in my room. It was just in there before. I've put the fairy lights up, but the annoying thing is it doesn't reach the whole way, so that's great. My bed's there though, my ring light. I need to obviously put my bed sheets on. I'm actually going to order some new bed sheets, but obviously they won't be here yet. And then yeah, this stuff is all to sort through. It's for like friends and family and like charity and stuff. Okay, now I'm going to be attempting to put up this clothing rail. This is from IKEA. I literally think it was about £7. I can't remember how much exactly it was, but it was really cheap. So I'm going to attempt to put this up now. I'm really not good with like constructing things, so it's probably going to be a disaster, but I'll let you watch. Okay, here is my clothing rail. That was actually really easy to put up, apart from like a few little bits, but honestly, that was really simple to put up. So I could put some clothes on that tomorrow, but I'm really happy with that, and as I said, it was so cheap, so go and check it out from IKEA. So I just found my new hangers, which I'm going to use for the hanging rails. So I'm just going to put a couple of clothing bits on it, and then hopefully it's going to look really good. And I've decided that the Gucci prints are actually going to go above here. At first I didn't know where to put things. Like I was going to put this clothing rail like over here, but then the drawers would look a bit weird just being there. So this fits like perfectly within this place. So I'm just going to put my clothes on here, and then the Gucci print's going to go on top, but I still need to buy some frames, so they're not going up yet. Is coming together nicely. I sorted out my Alex drawers, like I cleaned them and stuff. I haven't really done much to the ensuite apart from add a couple of bits. I really do need to paint it, but I can't bother to do that like anytime soon, so it's just going to stay grey for the time being. But I added my little shower mat as well, so that's cute. So now I'm just going to put my bed sheets back on. They're just like my normal, oh my god, look, pigeons, cute. These are my normal like white ones, but I am going to buy some new ones. And obviously the TV and stuff needs to go up, so it's still not 100% complete. But hopefully tomorrow it'll be more complete, and then when I've got the frames and when my big mirror comes, then it'll be like proper complete. So yeah, it's going well at the moment. Bed is done. I'm aware it looks really similar to my past room from like this angle, but honestly I'm in love with this, especially the clothing rail. Like this is such a good buy for how cheap it was. I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, I think that is literally all the work I'm going to do today because I'm so tired and I need to edit a video anyway. But I'll be back tomorrow when I'm like doing the TV and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning everyone. So today I'm actually in my old room because I'm going to be sorting out the wardrobe. Basically there's still literally all of my clothes in here, and then at the top At the top as well, sorry I've got hiccups. At the top as well there's like loads of stuff from when I was like a kid that I need to sort out. But yeah, quite a lot to do today. I'm not really prepared, but I've got my bin bag at the ready, so I'm gonna sort it out now. Okay, so my candle has actually just arrived from the White Company. Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay, so this is the candle that I got. I just got the Sleep Relax one. I'm hoping this smells really nice. I just saw it say sleep and I was like, yeah, I'm struggling to sleep, so I'm gonna get this one. But I love how like minimal this packaging is. The White Company is a vibe. So I'm going to put this on top of my Alex drawers. Okay, so my frames have just arrived. I can't open this, hold on. Okay, so here are the frames. They're basically just like these see-through ones. I can't remember what they're called. I think they're called like clip frames or something. I couldn't get actual photo frames because apparently A3 is really hard to find. But these will be fine. So these are going to have my Gucci prints in it and they're going to go just above the clothing rail. So I'm going to do it now and hope they fit. Okay, so guys, it is pretty much finished in here, kind of. I'm going to give you like a quick overview. It's not 100% done yet. I still need to get a mirror. I'm getting a new bed set and that kind of thing, but I thought I'd just show you a quick overview of where it's at the moment. So you walk in, I've got this wall here, which is going to be a photo wall. I've actually ordered some photos from Free Prints, I think the app was called. And I've just got like my makeup and stuff down there. I need to sort out the wardrobe as well. The wardrobe has not my things in it. And then Gucci prints are up here. It's all Gucci. I got the frames from Amazon in the end. They're just like see-through ones. And then my clothing rail, which I'm loving. And then I've just got like 3 pairs of random shoes down there. I've actually got my little White Company candle on right now, which smells so good. I found this little jewellery holder as well. I used to have it ages ago, but I thought it would be really good to have there for my jewellery and stuff. But yeah, they're my Alex drawers. Got my little lights up again because they're iconic. Then here's my bed. I actually found this little unicorn earlier. It's one of those ones where you put it in the microwave, and I thought it would just be good for like helping me sleep and stuff because it's got like lavender scent in it or something. I don't know. But yeah, I really want a new bed set and some new cushions because I'm just bored of these. But I like buying cushions from Primark, and obviously they're not open at the moment. So when they are back open, I'm going to get some new cushions. And then my TV is on the wall again, and I've actually got these LED lights. So what colour should I do it? Flash? Oh, why is it not working? Oh, on. There we go. Okay. So my TV is basically like flashing everyone. How cool is that? I think like in the pitch black, it'll be really cool. But yeah, this is my room so far. My ensuite actually hasn't really been touched, so I'm not going to show you guys. When I do my full room tour, I'll show you guys the ensuite. I've got some bits coming for the bathroom. So yeah, this is what it's currently looking like. That is so extra, the flashing. I will not have it flashing. I'm loving the prints, so I think they look so good. So yeah, very proud of myself for this. Okay, so that is basically the end of part 2. I don't think I'll be doing a part 3. I might as well just do like a full room tour, like when everything is completely finished. But yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed these room renovation videos. They were so fun to film, and I know you guys are really loving them. So I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe so you can see like my full room tour video, because I'll be going into things with like more detail. I feel like my room will be like much more fuller and like more cozy than this. So make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time with another brand new video. Bye guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how cool these LED lights are. You can literally like change the colour to whatever you want. I've just got it on red because it looks cool. But how sick are these? They were literally like £13 from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But oh my god, so cool.